Now the Xpulse 200 was actually a runaway success for Hero MotoCorp, and for all the right reasons indeed. It actually appealed to everyone who was starting on adventure motorcycling and off-roading, as well as the bloke who was tired of bad roads during his to and from office commutes. But recently, Hero gave the Xpulse an update with rather significant changes. So today we're going to be looking at all of those changes, how has it affected the riding experience, and whether you should get one of these home. Now in terms of design, not a lot has changed except for a little bit of grooming that the Xpulse has gotten. There are new paint schemes on offer, and I personally love the white and blue one we have here today. Apart from that, the design's elements and ethos remain the same, carrying forward that tall, rugged, ready to take on anything formula that definitely catches a lot of eyes in the real world. Along with the new paint scheme, Hero has also changed the switchgear on the Xpulse, making it feel more premium. The motorcycle continues with the same instrument panel that comes with vital readings like gear position indicator, speedometer, tachometer and an odo. Now a major chunk of the cycle parts have been borrowed from the previous Xpulse, which means you get the same riding triangle. Once you get inside the motorcycle, you're greeted by a tall seat, a tall handlebar and neutrally set foot pegs. Now this calls for a not so aggressive riding style and is very comfortable during the city commutes. However, if you stand up, the story is quite a bit different because the higher set foot pegs sort of makes hugging the tank a bit of an awkward affair. However, it must be said that the seat is extremely comfortable and provides the right amount of support for the rider and pillion alike. Now the engine has the biggest change. As compared to the 2-valve in the older version, the new one has 4, which means the intake and the exhaust valve are now smaller and lighter. What does this mean? This actually means that the engine can now rev higher. Also, due to its reduction in size and weight, it's also more durable. In the era of its predecessor, I would not have preferred the Xpulse as a highway workhorse. However, the new one can rev higher, pushing its comfortable spot from double-digit speeds to triple digits at around 107 km per hour. At this spot, there are minimal vibrations at the foot pegs. Speaking of transmissions, the new Xpulse has a short gear ratio with each one stacked very close to each other. Hence, the bike climbs up the cogs quickly and manages to hold even low speeds at higher gears. Off the tarmac, we found the snatchy low-end throttle response of the motorcycle to be quite cumbersome. The constant clutch modulation leaves you with an achy wrist in no time. Thanks to its big wheels and long suspension travel, the Xpulse is capable of swallowing even the worst potholes with ease. Additionally, due to its low curb weight, the motorcycle feels confident while trailing off the tarmac as well. Now I can just begin by saying if it ain't broke, why fix it? But actually, all the updates in the new Xpulse has made it an even better proposition. What was already a charming motorcycle in the city and off-roading conditions is now a good touring machine as well. So, all in all, a worthy purchase for its price tag.